Sound is an energy that we can detect through hearing. It allows us to communicate.
Meow.
To indicate emergencies. I'm hungry. And also to torture. Unknown into the unknown. Whoa! Sound is generated from vibrating objects. Bunyi dihasilkan oleh objek yang bergetar. Kaedah-kaedah untuk menghasilkan bunyi termasuklah tepukan, ketukan, gesekan atau petikan, dan tiupan. When we speak, our vocal cords vibrate. Pita suara kita bergetar untuk menghasilkan bunyi. Sound travels in the form of waves. Bunyi bergerak dalam bentuk gelombang. Sound actually travels faster through solids compared to liquids and gases, which is why we can eavesdrop.
They are fighting because he left the toilet seat up.
Gelombang bunyi yang mempunyai magnitude yang tinggi akan menghasilkan bunyi yang lebih nyaring, lebih kuat. So the larger the magnitude, the louder the sound will be. So in 2011, Marshawn Lynch, as a football player for the Seattle Seahawks, scored a touchdown, and the celebrations for the touchdown was so immense that it was detected on a nearby seismograph. And seismograph, for your context, right, is to detect underground vibrations, including earthquakes. So this means the celebrations were so incredible. Alright, people were jumping up and down within the stadium that it caused literally a man-made earthquake. 12 years later, in July 2023, during a Taylor Swift concert, the crowd was singing along to Shake It Off, and managed to produce an even larger vibration compared to the Beastquake. This one is called Swiftquake, and I think you know why. That's it for now. In the next video, we will talk about how sound can be reflected, bunyi boleh dipantulkan, dan juga aplikasi sonar dan juga ultrasound.